Hello everyone, it's me again, Sandria. Today we're going to disassemble our Lego cars and then rebuild them back. So, me and my dad finished these. So, all we have to do is to complete the whole car. Let's do it! So I'm going to regroup them like this. So we're going to assemble it back. So I finally finished my car. Just a little bit of glow up here. The red stuff. Dragon.
You just added it?
Yeah. And a cool sign.
Good job. Then you gotta park it.
Yeah. And when you want to get out, you can do like this.
Where's the driver?
Oh, the driver. The driver is inside here. So I'm going to open it. Where is the driver?
I think the one with the red hat.
What? No, it's not the one. The shadow.
That's the one here.
This one. This girl is the driver. I'll go get her a helmet. The white one might be good. Get that white one. So here, take off her hat. Her head also. Don't know what happened. Where's the helmet? Ride. Come on. Dear helmet. She's gonna drive. Vroom, vroom. She's in. Time to put the cap back on.
Flying car.
Yeah, Harry Potter.
A flying car?
Hop on obstacles. No.
It's completely mental.
If you guys enjoyed watching, bye! To finish it correctly.